Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. So for today's video, I have another FabFitFun unboxing. This one is for spring 2021. I can't believe we are almost approaching spring. I know we still have a ton of winter days to go, but I'm really excited to be unboxing this because I've already had a few snow days. So receiving a little piece of spring is nice. A big thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. And if you haven't seen my other FabFitFun videos, I will link them below. If you haven't heard of them, it is a seasonal subscription box which includes full-size products. It's available in UK, US, and Canada, so more of my subscribers can enjoy the benefits of FabFitFun. They are super eco-friendly because they have changed their packaging up. If you remember my first video, their packaging was completely different. Now everything is totally recyclable. It comes in this beautiful craft box, which every season they change it up and it looks so pretty. And there's just so many benefits to FabFitFun. They also have something called the FabFitFun Standard, which they won't include anything in the box that has ingredients that are harmful for you. Right now it's 12 ingredients, and I will put a picture up on the screen on the ingredients that they're keeping out of the box. But I love little things about that. Every season they're trying to do a little better and include cooler stuff. So let's go ahead and start unboxing. By the way, if you do want to try this out, use my code JAYMUNEE for $10 off. I will link it below as well, so check that out. Let's go ahead and unbox. So the first item is this Camp Collection Dip Dyed Market Tote. Look at the colors on this. I love this dusty pink. Fun stuff. This is supposed to be to like put produce and stuff, but I saw somebody at my local store using this to hold their water bottle, and I thought it was the coolest thing. Hers was a little tighter because she made it herself, but this would be perfect. Even though I will be using it, you know, to hold my produce and stuff. But I just love this. I wish it was a little bit bigger so I can use it as a beach tote. But look at this combination of colors, and this retails for $25. So that's my first item. The next item in the box, and one that I am totally in love with, are these coasters. These are Bloomingville woven seagrass coasters. They retail for $35, and look at the details on these things. I love them, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people are totally going to be into this because right now the boho thing is huge. Even though I've loved boho forever, now it's available like everywhere you go. So this is pretty nice, and I just love them. I love them so much. So this and this has been totally up my alley. The next home item, and it's another item that's going to be a hit with people, I can tell, is just this Jenny Kane woven tray. This is so beautiful, so well made, and it has these little handles. This retails for $45, and it is nice and sturdy, and I can see why. If I were to buy this on my own, I would probably want one that was a little bit bigger, but still super cute. Really cute for staging photos, if you're an influencer, or just to have on your bed with your remote and stuff like that. So I really love this. So these pieces right here, tell me this doesn't scream like boho decor, because it does. I got this set of MAC lipsticks. Now these retail for $42, and one of them is this beautiful pink, which I think is going to be too light for my skin tone. I'm not even going to attempt to wear this one right now because the under eye bags are just, they're just going to highlight that. But let me see if I can swatch this one. So it is a very beautiful, kind of like a natural lip color, which is nice. I haven't used MAC Cosmetics in many years. And then I have this one, which is this beautiful red color, and it's the one that I'm wearing right now. One of my favorite lipsticks from MAC was Russian Red. This one is Work, Work, Work. And then the pink is Reverence. So I like that. I'll wear it. The red, if you've been watching me for a while, you know red is like my thing. Usually I wear a brighter red, and I've been really into liquid lipsticks for many years now, but I can get down with that. I have these little cosmetic rounds. To me, these are powder puffs. I will be using them as powder puffs, but it's a set of 3 for $15. Funny thing is, I actually ordered something like this on Amazon not too long ago because my husband bought like baby powder and he was getting it everywhere. So this is going straight to my husband. These are so nice and soft and fluffy. And you can just hold them here if you don't want to get powder all over your hand and do one of these. I kind of tend to prefer the ones that have little thingies, but I'm guessing it's to do this to your face. My husband is not going to be using it for his face, but you know. They sent this Cali Cosmetics body gel, and this was $22. I always save the body washes that they sent me, and I put it into my travel bag. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's not overly floral. It's peach champagne. And you can't really even smell the peach. It smells like a perfume, and I don't know which one, but I love the smell of this. It did have a little sticker on the side to make sure that it was sealed, so that's really nice, because a lot of people assume that these products are not sealed, and they are. Then I have this. This is for the face. It is a brightening, I guess, serum, and this retails for $38. This is probably going to go to my mom. I've had really sensitive skin for a while now, ever since I, got pregnant, and now that I gave birth, my skin is still feeling it. But this retails for $38, and I will let you know if she likes it or not. Then I have this soap. It is a Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar, the famous black soap, and I couldn't find it on their little thing. By the way, they used to send a little magazine with the info and everything you got, but now they kind of just email it to you, which is nice because they're not wasting paper. The famous black soap. I cannot find it here, but I'll put it up on the screen and let you know. This is also going in my travel bag. Does it smell like anything? It just smells like clean. So those are all, oh, and just kidding. I have one little bonus, which are these super cute stickers with little flowers on them. It's your time to bloom. How freaking cute. Thank you, FabFitFun. I needed that little, I needed that. I really needed that. So it's nice. I love that they include little extras in their box. They always do, and it makes me really happy. So that is it for my box. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you got yours and what you received. And if you do want to try it, make sure that you use my code JAYMUNEE to get $10 off. As usual, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much, and I will hopefully see you on the next one.